couchwasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own DIY sterilizing mat or stump mat. This is about 90% cheaper than your regular store-bought mat. So if this is something that you'd like to learn, please keep watching. So before anything else, you have to prepare all the materials needed. It's very easy. For this activity, you just have to have these simple materials: your regular scissors, markers, your coil mat, and your plastic tray. You don't even have to go out of your house. You can actually buy your plastic tray from Shopee. The cheapest I've seen is about 250 pesos. But this one I also got from Ace Hardware at 250 pesos. And then, for your coil mats, the cheapest I've seen on Shopee is also 65 pesos to 75 pesos. But I got mine from Ace Hardware at 150 pesos. Okay, now everything is ready. Let us start with the activity. First off, you have to remove all the unwanted labels because you don't really need them. So just take off the label carefully from your tray and make sure that everything is clean. After that, place your tray on top of your mat and make sure that your mat will fit in perfectly for your tray. So with this, I used my silver marker so that I can see the mark against the black mat. After drawing in the outline, you just have to cut them as evenly as you can so that it fits perfectly to your tray. When choosing your tray, make sure that you choose something that has at least an inch width or something close to an inch so that you have something, a reservoir for your disinfectant solution. Once everything is ready, once you've cut up your mat and placed it on your tray, now it's ready for use. And it's as easy as that. Plus, it cuts your costs to about half or more. You see, it's that easy. You just have to source your own coil mat. This is readily available in your regular hardware store or even at car shop or car accessories. And the cheapest I've seen for this through Shopee is about 75 pesos or 150 at most. I got this from Ace Hardware. This is 150. And then you have to also source your own plastic tray where you will put your coil mat. So that this also contains the disinfectant solution. And it doesn't matter if you use recycled plastic or virgin plastic as long as it's sturdy. I would highly suggest for you not to use stainless steel or metal trays because when you plan to use chlorine or bleach as your disinfectant solution, your chlorine or your bleach solution might react with the metal surface. So it's highly advisable for you to source plastic trays instead, and this is the best option that I've seen. This is also from Ace Hardware for about 250 pesos. It has curves and grooves so that when you cut your coil mat like this, it fits snugly on your tray and it prevents the mat from sliding versus your regular rectangular shaped tray. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this simple hack or DIY video that I made. Total expense for this is only about 400 pesos. 150 plus 250, it's only 400 pesos versus your regular sterilizing mat that goes for about 1,500 to 3,000 pesos. So it's super cheap, it's super easy, and I hope you would all stay inside your houses, stay home, stay safe, and catch you on my next video. Bye!